Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Michelle Celestial. I'm 37 years old. I'm single. I'm a high school graduate from Caybiga, Caloocan City. I have work experience here in Philippines as a helper from February 2018 to February 2020. I served two couple in a family with three kids and two adults. My duties and responsibilities they are clean the house, taking care of child, ironing, washing clothes, cooking, and marketing. My reason for leaving, finish contract. My second work experience in Hong Kong as a helper from August 2022 to August 2024. I served six person in a family, two couple, two elderly, one adult, and one child. My duties and responsibilities as a helper cooking, clean the house, ironing, washing clothes, marketing, taking care of child. My reason for leaving, finish contract. Mom, sir, give me a chance to hire me. I'm a good person, trustworthy, hardworking, and loving people. Thank you, mom, sir.